The 2013 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, XM satellite radio, traction control, running boards, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, front, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.